What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of TunerThings. My name is Steve. I hope everybody's doing well and staying inside like they should be, washing your hands, doing all that kind of good stuff so that we can all make it through. So, looks nice and clean now. It's been drying overnight. Let's roll that clip from yesterday. Things got a little crazy with the pressure washer. Excuse me, buddy. Damn. Alrighty, so yeah, today, very simple job. We're just doing the valve cover gasket, which I've done on the last Odyssey engine. Got the whole kit here. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna do the ones under the rocker arms. I'm gonna take a look. I haven't had good luck with removing rocker arms on old engines. So I don't know if I'm gonna risk that. There's oil in the spark plug tubes, so that needs to be taken care of. Should be able to just knock that right out of the park. There was a lot of oil leaking over here. The gasket is just old and it's just not good. You know, taking this stuff off, taking the spark plug stuff out. I know that the PCV valve is in there pretty well, so I don't know if I'm gonna break that. Anyway, yeah, that's basically it. So just, yeah, come along for the journey. Nothing too crazy today. I know if you're here for the Turbo Civic content, disregard the cheeseburger bun from last night. If you're here for the Turbo Civic, the radiator should be in tomorrow. Be able to knock that out and get a video up for you guys of getting the bass tune started. I'm gonna just start from scratch, and I probably will use Honda Tuning Suite. I'm also making a custom data logging cable for it, so that's cool too. Anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna set up the camera here and get to work. Since it's such a few steps to get this thing apart, I'm not gonna take the rocker arm assembly off. I just feel like this is in really bad shape. The oil is dark, it looks extremely sludgy. I feel like I would probably break one of these bolts or the rocker arm. I just think I'm gonna try replacing just the seals here, and hopefully that does something. It doesn't look like they were leaking here, but I mean, it actually kind of does, yeah. Right in here, there's some oil. You know, I don't know. All I do know is that I'm willing to take it back apart again and go under the rocker arm assembly if I have to. I just really don't want to. I'm gonna try this, clean the spark plug wires out, put new spark plugs in, and hopefully it's good to go for a little while. Check them after a couple 100 miles and see if the oil has returned. So just be nice to take care of this gasket at least, because this was just foul, foul, foul. I mean, look at it, it's hard. I mean, it's just in bad shape. So I'm gonna get the surface cleaned off, get the new gasket put on, put some black silicone sealant on the corners here where it should be. That'll be there, 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 and there when I put it all back on. And we'll change the spark plugs. Forgot to throw in these as well. And we'll be good to go. Yeah. It's always nice to have a spare engine. I had this F22 B6 sitting here from when it got pulled out of this. So basically what happened was the PCV valve broke off when I was trying to get it out, and it ended up falling into the valve cover. And It's a baffled valve cover on the inside. And so that was gonna be a real pain in the ass to get it out. I got most of the chunks out by shaking it, but I just figured since this one was good, just use this. So I'm gonna go pick up a PCV valve while I can. If you take a look at these spark plugs, they are done, son. So in all reality, I'm gonna have to remove the rocker arm assembly on this one because I think those lower O-rings are gonna need to be replaced. This is pretty bad. Didn't realize how bad it was, but it is what it is. I got plenty of time at home. And I do have the spare head, so that's cool too. Yes, so I'm going to gap these plugs. These are ZFR 5F-11s 2262. Gapping them to 0.044. I'm gonna throw those back in, take my Integra to Advance to grab a PCV valve to replace this guy right here, because that's what happens when they get old and funky. And I'll probably actually replace this whole tube because this is old and hard. If you guys made it this far, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys are working on while you're at home. All right, let's get to it. Alrighty, y'all, so I got the spark plugs put in. Got a new PCV valve. That's just gonna go right in here. And I have some new hose from the garage just to clean this thing up a little bit. So yeah, dude, we're gonna fix it and we're gonna get it all put back together and back on the road. Then we have to take it all back apart in the next couple days to redo the under the cam, the rocker arm cover. Alrighty guys, so finally got everything buttoned up. I am gonna have to take the rocker arm assembly back off because I do need to reach the O-rings underneath that, and this isn't seating on the spark plug very well. So I will probably need to get some new spark plug wires. Could be worse, could be better. So it is what it is. Gonna give it a start now and at least make sure that it fires over, and hopefully the new PCV valve should be doing some good. So yeah, like I said, I really need the car for the next couple days, so yes, good time to be down, but I do need to have it running at least a little bit. All right. Sounds better. It's not pissing oil from anywhere. That's not good. So we got a vacuum leak somewhere. Cool, so the leak was that I didn't push the PCV valve in all the way. Always nice when it's a simple fix. Alrighty guys, thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in the next couple days with some Turbo Civic updates. We're gonna get that thing running, get at least a base tune on there. I don't know that I can be out driving around and all that, doing the rest of the tune, but I will show you at least how to do the base tune. I'm probably gonna be rocking Honda Tuning Suite this time, and then I'm also gonna go back in and rip the rocker arm assembly off of this and get those lower O-rings. So
Till next time, peace out, Cub Scouts.